This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Rachel Kosmak. Welcome to this beautifully upgraded 1-bedroom, 1-bath residence in the heart of Fort Lauderdale along the New River. This thoughtfully designed home features an open floor plan, elegant wood floors, and spacious closets, creating a comfortable and functional living space. The modern kitchen is outfitted with stainless steel appliances and flows seamlessly into the living area, perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. An in-unit washer and dryer at everyday convenience. Step onto your private balcony and take in stunning sunset views that elevate the entire living experience. Residents enjoy an exceptional array of resort-style amenities, including a pool with cabanas, hot tub, barbecue area, fully equipped fitness center, yoga room, and additional exercise spaces. The community also features a stylish clubhouse, club room, billiard room, and business center, along with 24-hour security and concierge services. One covered parking space is included. Ideally located near major highways and the airport, and just moments from premier shopping, dining, vibrant nightlife, and local parks, this residence offers the perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and convenience. For more information, review the details below or contact Rachel Kosmak at 954-491-3100.